We all want to make more money and live a better life, right? That is not unusual. Most of us are trying to save every penny for the future, find another job, or find another way to get rich quickly. I promise you that you won't accomplish anything using these outdated ideas and techniques. These are old-school tactics that worked well for our parents because they didn't have as many options as we do now. They did not have Shopify for online shopping, Stripe for payment processing, or the internet. The only way for them to earn more money is to take on a second job or work harder. But here's the thing, you should work smarter these days rather than harder. Finding a new method of making money can help you make more money without having to work 15 hours a day. The issue is that not enough people are aware of how money works and what you should do now. Therefore, there are many scammers advertising their day trading courses or something like that on the internet and promising you the chance to become a millionaire. The truth is that you won't. You won't if you buy these courses and hope for a red pill that will save you from this world and make you rich overnight. To really become wealthy, you must first define your options and determine which path you should take. In this video, I'll share with you some of the most efficient ways to get what you want and explain what you should do. Monetize your life. First of all, you shouldn't do most things for free. It is a complete waste of time. For instance, you and your friend might be discussing some trending and exciting subjects like the internet's future, cryptocurrencies, or money-related issues. The first step is to monetize it. To put it another way, why are you speaking for free when you could start making podcasts on these subjects and expressing your thoughts to others? You will have a ton of opportunities and entirely new ways to make money from it. If you've done everything right, people will pay attention to you. After that, you will have a greater number of people who agree with you and you will be able to advance along the same path. It can be used in other areas as well. Instead of taking pictures of your travels and sharing them with your friends on Instagram, upload them to Shutterstock or other websites where you can get paid for them. Your photos will be purchased an endless number of times, providing you with more passive income. You may even turn your Instagram page into a business if you still want to take pictures of yourself and post them there. There are numerous ways to make money from your daily activities. You can play chess and make money when you walk, run, sit, or even while you sleep. There are lots of Web 3.0 applications that offer fresh experiences. The best example of them is the Move to Earn app Steppen, which allows users to walk, jog, or run while earning money. However, you must first get an NFT shoe and run every day before you can earn anything. You could have made up to several $1,000s a month from it a few months ago. The market, however, has just fallen, and you now get only a handful of dollars per day. There are many more apps like Walken, Sweat, and others. You can look through them all and select the one that best suits your needs. You may even play chess or look for other ventures where you can play video games and get paid for it. As a result of everything I've just mentioned, you should and can monetize as much of your life as you can, starting a blog, participating in podcasts, and taking any chance that comes your way. Then again, don't waste time talking with people when you could be making money. Turn your hobby into business. That's correct. You can turn anything you do in life into a business. As we said earlier, it might be an Instagram page or anything else. If you're making anything by hand, you can also sell it on websites like Etsy or eBay for a profit. If you enjoy writing, there are numerous methods to make money from it. You can get some extra money even by blogging on Medium. Actually, if you are already skilled at something, it will be a lot easier for you to start a new business. With your own services or goods, you can build this business as your personal brand. In the beginning, it will help you get recognition among customers. And secondly, it will make monetization considerably simpler. It's also less work for you because you won't have to waste time looking for a profitable niche or researching the current market. You've already done that, and now all you need to do is turn it into a fully operational business. To do so, you must first create a business model for how your business will operate. Will you ship your products, or are you just an online agency? Also, write down what you will require for this business, such as a website, a manager, and an administrator. When you've completed everything and have a final goal with the plan, you'll need to know how much money you'll need to spend on it. Your website must look fantastic. You can either hire someone to do it or do it yourself with the help of some YouTube videos. In any case, there is always a way out of any situation, and you must find it. There are countless possibilities for turning your hobby into a business. Thank you to the internet and all of the tech startups that make our lives easier. As I mentioned earlier, our parents didn't have Stripe and couldn't accept payments online. It is now much easier than ever before thanks to modern technology. You simply need to be aware of these tools and platforms. As long as you can build a target audience and reach them with valuable products, the possibilities are endless. You have lots of options. It makes no difference who you are or what you are doing. There are countless opportunities for everyone to earn money right now. If you're a painter, you can either digitalize your work and sell it as NFT, or you can open an Instagram account and share your work there. It is now much easier to promote your project or business using social media. All you need to do is learn how it works and start creating content on a regular basis. It will broaden your audience and help more people understand what you're doing. There are no excuses for not doing it. As I said before, anyone can monetize anything and earn money from it. You can work as a waiter and still upload TikToks of your co-workers. The issue isn't that you don't have any options, it's that you need to figure out how to make money from them. If you don't want to do something repetitive, you can hire someone to do it all for you. Hiring different qualified people and forming a team can help your business scale exponentially. It's important to note that the majority of us already have everything we need to start building businesses, monetizing them, and earning money. We've got a phone. The phone is the best tool for getting started, and most of us have one. Because it is simply bigger than all the others put together, every app starts by focusing on the mobile niche. So if you have a phone, you can begin planning your future right away. Why old methods don't work anymore? The old methods no longer work, and there's nothing strange about it. We all understand that our current world and our parents' world are completely different places. As said before, they lacked the resources to rapidly scale their business and monetize everything. They didn't have the internet, podcasts, TikToks, and other modern conveniences. It is the primary reason why old methods no longer work. They are simply too old for this new world. You will not become a millionaire if you do not spend any money on coffee or anything else. Saving is no longer an option. You don't have to put your money in a bank and wait for a 20% return over several years. It would be far better if you invested them in a business or something truly meaningful. It could be new startups, projects, or other income-generating assets. In any case, putting your money in the bank is probably the worst thing you can do with it. If you want to invest, which is a great idea, you should do so in stocks, bonds, real estate, and so on. Understanding how the entire system functions will give you many more opportunities, and you'll start to notice how you're beginning to earn more money. That's all. I hope you understand everything I'm saying. You must act immediately. You have no excuses and everything you need to get started earning money. Always remember to monetize as much as possible and avoid wasting time. It will teach you how to earn more and more money while also providing you with a variety of new opportunities. If you liked this video and want to see more like it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.